So November 9, 2012, 4:26 a.m. I'm woken up because I am being absolutely fried alive with these fucking weapons. So I'm trying to look and see who the fuck is up at this time. Well, look who I get. I get the bitches that were caught on the second floor across the courtyard. And then I get the motherfuckers down on one floor below. Ain't that about a fucking bitch? See, that's how else you capture your fucking terrorists when you're being heavy duty fucking targeted. You go and look and find out what fucking units are up. So like I said, whenever you want to know when you're being targeted really bad with weapons, you go and look and see what units are up. So this is across Courtyard. You got the one up here trying to be incognito, but they're not. And they were already caught. But they've been real quiet because they don't want their faces shown again. And then we have these assholes one level below them. So you can see which units are rigged. They have the same markings on the walls. They're up there.